Okay, now we are doing a question. This is a question in which Nakul is a trader. He buys and sells goods on credit. He buys most of his supplies from one supplier, Nadia, who allows Nakul a trade discount, of 20%. It has been written at the start of the question. It means कि we must know that there is an involvement of discount in this question. ठीक है? Now, what is basically what we have to do in this question, we have to prepare the purchase journal. ठीक है? हम purchase journal बना रहे हैं और for the purchase journal, uh, first of all, we must need a date, then we need details, and as per CI's format, we need two columns, and in both the columns, there is a sign of dollar. Never confuse these two columns with debit and credit. ठीक है? Okay. Now our first transaction is bought goods on credit from Nadia. 18th को again bought goods credit from Nadia and 29th को bought goods credit from Sophie. There are three transactions. Okay. On the month of January, and they have told us the year as well, 2022. 12th January को we have purchased goods from Nadia, and there is a word trade discount. There is a word list price. List price means कि it must be deducted. यानी इसमें ट्रेड डिस्काउंट डिडक्ट होगा. मैंने $80 लिखकर इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. This 20% means कि if I deduct 20% from that of 100%, तो 80% is the remaining percentage because 20% is a trade discount. तो अगर मैं $80 को 80% से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूंगा तो मेरे पास रिमेनिंग अमाउंट आ जाएगी. ठीक है. आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर. और अमाउंट विल बी 64. ठीक है. If we want to do it manually, then what we will do, $80 multiplied by 80 divided by 100. ठीक है. 8 8 is 64. We get the answer 64. Then on 18th, bought goods on credit from Nadia, again from Nadia. Now this time the amount is $400. 400 का again 80%. List price given थी and 20% has been uh, given to us at the start of the question. 400 का 80% is found to be 320. How? We have multiplied this 400 with 80 and divided with by 100. Two zeros has been cancelled with this. 4 8s are 32, 320. Then on 29th, we have purchased goods from Sophie on credit, and there is no word of uh, list price. It means that there is no involvement of trade discount. Now we have three values, 64 plus 320 plus 60. It is found to be 444. ठीक है. This is the way. Whenever there are two columns given, we will do it like that. Or this 444 will be transferred to purchase ledger. Now, this is the way of doing the purchase journal. Now, I am preparing another account which is of purchase return journal. In the purchase return journal, again, it is also a listing. We need three columns. Everything is same except the definitely the values, dollar sign, details, and first one is the date. Now, what we will do, we will just see the question, return faulty goods to Nadia, return sold goods यहाँ आएगा नहीं, return goods to Sophie, ठीक है? जनवरी 2022 में on 14th January we have returned goods to Nadia and there is a list price given. It means return faulty goods to Nadia. Okay, I have committed one mistake. It was 350. So इसको करेक्ट कर लेते हैं. This was 350. I have missed this value. 350 multiplied by 80% is 280. ठीक है, 280 plus 320 plus 60. Our total has been changed to uh, 660. ठीक है, okay. Now this 80 was basically the return goods. $80 multiplied by 80%, it is 64. And on 30th, return goods to Sophie, but there is no word of list price. That's why this ninth will be written as it is. Now 64 plus 9 is found to be 73. Again, we will write transferred to purchase ledger. ठीक है? This purchase ledger is basically the supplier's ledger. ठीक है? We will transfer this value to that, or sometimes we write as transfer to the purchase control accounts या purchase control ledger. Right now we don't know anything about the purchase control account. That's why I'm not writing that. ठीक है? यहाँ तक clear है? This was all about the this question was all about the transaction related to purchase journal and purchase return journal. Now next question will be of sale.